For customers looking to build or add to their IO-Link systems for their industrial automation needs, Turck Australia and Banner offer a wide variety of IO-Link products. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. IO-Link systems provide real-time data from your production devices, alerting you as to what they're doing, how well they're doing, and instantly notifying you if there are any problems. Both Turck and Banner offer a full IO-Link system, including masters, sensors, hubs, and connectivity. IO-Link uses standard industrial cables which reduce cost and increase reliability. The diagnostic feedback from the IO-Link sensors ensure optimum health of your process, and their ability to be configured and adjusted remotely means it's easy to make product changes or to do the fine-tuning. Turck and Banner's IO-Link offerings include automatic device configuration when the replacements are identical products and preventative maintenance data in order to schedule the servicing. It's all via open technology, so it's not tied to a single supplier. More information on products and why IO-Link is the smart industrial automation solution for you. Visit turck.com.au. And thanks for watching.